Hi, in this video, we are going to look at productivity and efficiency boosters in Microsoft Excel. Remember, last time I even made it clear to say these tools are only applicable in versions of Microsoft Office starting from 2016 going up. So if you have a 2016 package that has not been updated, just try to update and these features will be able to work effectively. Now we are going to break down this video in phases, and each video will comprise of a certain skill that you are supposed to do at the end of it. So now, the first one we are going to look at, we're going to cover the Power Query enhancements. But the whole entire session of day 2, we are going to automate data imports and transformation using Power Query. Then we are going to analyze trends and generate summaries using Auto Data Insights. Then the last but not the least, at the end of this module, you are supposed to collaborate effectively in shared workbooks using sheet visualization, view customization. Thank you very much, and we get now to dig down into the topics for today. Number one topic, we're going to look at Power Query enhancement, where we'll look at automating data imports and transforming messy data into structured formats. Then the second one, we're going to do auto data insights by leveraging Excel's AI to uncover patterns and trends without writing formulas. Then the last but not the least, we're going to look at sheet view customization. This will be entirely creating personal views without affecting the other users in the shared workbook. Now, let us go straight into the first topic for today. Now, we want to look at how we can be able to automate and simplify data cleanups. So, we have a case study of monthly sales reports, of which a template has been uploaded, and you just need to download it for you to work out this particular activity. So let us look at what this is all about. We are going to import raw sales dataset, then clean it by removing duplicates and blank filters by region, and summarize it by sales representative. Now, here is a step-by-step procedure. As you can see, number one, you need to go to data. You go to get data, then after that, you get data from a workbook or a CSV. So there are different workbooks that you can be able to clean up. They could be messy workbooks. Example, you've just imported data for those teachers that normally handles grade 7 and grade 9 workbooks that are coming from ECZ. This is a powerful tool for you to summarize your work quickly in order for submission to your superiors or to your supervisors. So this particular step, the next one is going to remove rows and remove blank rows. At the same time, it will be used to remove duplicates in terms of columns that are there. Then the other thing, we're going to filter the region and column to show only the east. Then the other one, we use group by to summarize sales by sales representative and calculate total amount. So at the end of it all, you need to close and load the import for cleaned data. And the cleaned data, this is the data that you have. If you want, you can go to copy this. You can be able to copy this. We create a CSV. I don't want a situation where people think as if we are doing something that has already been worked out, but I want to make then the expected result after transformation should be like this. So we are just going straight into Microsoft. Okay, in order for us to complete the whole entire process, let us now quickly move into Excel. We open a new blank worksheet. Okay, I'm using Microsoft Excel 20. This is 2021. Okay, so now So we'll move in straight to data. Then we're going to pick the data from our module. It says we pick from Excel or CSV. Ours is a CSV. The document type or the extension type that we have added is a CSV. So we pick from text or CSV. Thereafter, it will quickly take us. Okay, we're waiting for that data to come up. Okay, let's quickly move in, and this is our data set. Okay, then we are going to pick data sets. Okay, then the Power Query is going to open up quickly. Sorry, my machine is a bit slow due to some effects with a lot of tasks being performed at once. Okay, okay, so go. Perfect. Okay, now our data has been loaded, including some rows that are somehow complicated, that are not even okay. So now we'll pick on transform data down here at the bottom. Click on transform data. Then automatically our Power Query editor will open. Our Power Query editor will open. So the Power Query editor has got the title bar where it shows the title of a particular dataset you're working on. Then we've got the tabs here that comprises of various tools that you can use as you are editing your data. As you're editing your data, you can transform it, you can add some columns, you can use the view tab to view different changes that have been made. So now when we get to our home tab, we'll start by removing the rows. Let us remove the blank rows. So add this condition. The moment we add it, it will definitely remove. After it has removed everything here, we'll need also to remove the column that has been duplicated. Let's take, for instance, we just want to remove this particular column. Then we can come here and remove some columns. First thing, you highlight the column, then you come and remove it. Bam, then you are done. But at the moment, we just want to remain with the sales representative. First, we need to filter the region. We'll just click this button and add the filter option. We just want to remain with the east. Then after remain with the east, then we want to combine and remain with the data set that will only have a sales representative. From a sales representative, we want it to have total sales, which will calculate the total sales of two different sales representatives. So we want to remain with Iris and Carol from the east. So that in that way we'll just quickly move to choose column. Okay, we're going to come on the representative, right click, then group. We need to group by, then we are going to choose sales representative. Then we want to call the new as total sales. Then we want the operation to be sum, and at the same time we want it to produce what column do we want it to operate? The amount column. That's where we want it to get this operation. This operation should be performed in this column. The column name will change it to sales, total sales. Sorry, forgotten the L here. Total sales. Then what is the operation? We want it to put the sum. Then here, what is the other operation, or which column are we working out this operation? It's in the amount column. Then you click OK. Then this is how it is going to be displayed. This is how it is going to be displayed. If you want, you can even add a K there. Then after you are done, you do close and load. Then you just click there. The moment you close and load, then your query and your connections will be displayed. Love using that. Try searching on the web. No, we are not interested in searching on the web as of today. Then this is how it is going to bring out your data. Only that data you need from chunky data. So this is how it is done. Thank you. See you in the next video.